Howdy, folks. We're live at 8:42 p.m. and we're running a mini for Josh's special offer TIE Fighter. I got 10 spots, and I'm going to copy and take over to main, or at random, top 3 win spots in the main. Going to paste them in there, 1 through 10. Going to roll the dice. Got to get at least 5, as you know. We got a 7, which means we're flying. We're ready to Sunday night battle. Here we go. Grant takes round 1 and 2. Rock 3. Dan takes round 4 with number 9. Grant again on top in round 5. And round 6. And our winners are Rock, Dan, and Ron. Congratulations, guys. Here's the verification. VEVIOC. There's our winners. I am done at 8:43. There you see it. Again, here's our winners. Congrats, guys. See you around. Thanks.